This is one more very pretty little thing. So I'll let it off on the side where it will not get crushed. These millipedes are kept as pets in many of the Western countries by the more adventurous nature lover category people, and they're, they sell and buy them and all in those countries' species, and also some trade, international trade and all is there. Though I am completely against that kind of transporting these species from one country to another and all those kind of things. But our own country's millipedes, the two the ones common ones like this one which are on the city streets and all, these they can be kept as pets, and also they are very important for these organic farming and natural farming. Their compost is supposed to be much superior to vermicompost, and scientists have tested that composition and all, and they convert these dead leaves and carbonaceous stuff and all into very nice, recycle it and make it available to the plants and all. And apart from that, they don't bite. That's another plus point. And they don't have huge space requirements and all, and the food also requirements is quite simple. They just want the local dry leaves and that kind of thing, what is there in the in the countryside, that kind of topsoil and this local plants, what they are used to, their digestive system and all, those species they can eat and survive quite nicely, and they breed also quite well. I've seen, not in India, nobody has done it, but in other countries people are breeding them in terrariums and all. And since these are all vanishing very fast, it's a good thing. If you find if people take up breeding of these millipedes and then use them for vermicomposting and all, then they have a future as doing the service, and also the species can survive into the future. If there's too much development, they all have narrow ranges because they can't travel far. So in those areas where they occur, people can help them to survive and thrive and reintroduce also if they're destroyed. Because being not very mobile, once earth moving equipment and all comes and they go away from an area or they're destroyed, they rarely come back. They can't fly like butterflies and other insects.